What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to go ahead and do another experiment video using our test fender. But today we're going to go ahead and spray some pearls over a white base. So let me go ahead and flip the camera. Alright guys, so check this out. First we're going to begin by spraying some of this white RUSTOLEUM. This is Blossom White. And this is going to be our base. Then we're going to go ahead and mix up some clear coat. This is the Besney. This is an automotive 2K clear, which is a urethane, and it's a high solids clear coat. So this one mixes up in a 4 parts clear, 1 part activator. In that clear, we're going to go ahead and add some pearls. Now, since this is a white, you can't just go ahead and get the most brightest color that you find. Let's just say this is so like brilliant, so like vibrant. It's not going to transform the white into this blue, but we're going to go ahead and spray this. And I also wanted to try some of the whites because white on white or anything bright, you know, it's just a reference to keep in mind, but it's definitely going to look, you know, to perfection. So like silver pearls, this is a beige pearl. I got this one out because this is like a pastel color. You know, anything that is really soft goes very nicely over white. What's this? Timberwolf? That would go pretty nice as well. Anything that isn't too strong in color will go nicely. With white bases. Now, if you want something to stand out, like, damn, that is blue, you know, you would want to use a black base, like you know, to show more of the pearl. But let's go ahead and just find out today. So we're gonna spray the white base on this fender. Okay, so I went ahead and gave this a second coat off camera. Just to speed up the video, we're going to spray 2 different color pearls. But just so we can have a nice, you know, even base with no tiger striping, make sure we have a nice wet pass. Over here I went ahead and sprayed the black. That way, when I spray the pearls, I won't spray the white pearl over black because that would be pointless. But I will spray the colored pearl over the black so you guys can see how easy it covers and how much you can see of that pearl compared to the white base. So I'm going to go ahead and just let this dry for at least 15 minutes and then we'll come back with the clear coat. Okay, so here I have the clear coat. It's already mixed, the 4-to-1 mix. So first I'm going to go ahead and try the silver pearl. get 1 teaspoon. Alright, so we already have the white pearl inside the spray gun, and the spray gun that I'm using is the Spectrum HTE with a 1.3 tip with the 3M airflow control valve, set at about 28 with 2.5 turns of fluid. So let's go ahead and start spraying. Perfect timing too. Okay guys, so I just finished spraying this one, the test fender, with the silver pearl, and this is what I'm talking about when I say this is what a pearl should look like white on white, like with a white base and some pearls over it. So this is normally or commonly what you see out in the street, which is if it's not just plain white, it's white pearl, and this just came out of a spray can. So it's a $6 spray can, and you can see the pearl in it, and it's such a beautiful color. So this normally represents like a luxury color, and in an automotive world this would probably be like a tri-coat. The base coat is white, then you spray the pearl in inner coat and then the clear coat over it. You could spray it in the clear coat as well, but just cover it with the just clean coat of pearl. But here's the color. Right now I'm going to go ahead and take this back inside and I'll spray the Sapphire Blue. So this is it. So if you guys like this color, the pearl white, there it is. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. How do you think this one came out? So we already have the clear coat mixed, the 4-to-1. So for this one, we're going to use the Sapphire Blue. So I went ahead and cleaned out the spray gun and I added the Sapphire Blue mix. So we're going to go ahead and spray this one just over this white pearl. So already with the first coat of Sapphire, we could already tell, or at least I can tell, that it's already not going, in a good route. It's starting to look just a little bit dirty white, but we'll continue spraying. We'll see what comes out. And over here, I went ahead and started spraying with the Sapphire. So we'll see how it looks like at the end once we spray it. So this is just the first coat, and you know what? I'll show you guys out in the sun. Alright, so here's the first coat. Let me know if you guys can see any change. And of course, it still has the white or silver pearl on the white. So, any change, any type of pearl effect, or is the white getting dirty? What do you guys think? Over here on the black, first coat, like I said, we're still not done, but we could already see that we're getting some effect. So, like I said, black is just a better base for colors. Okay, so let me show you guys how I cleaned the spray gun right after use. There's nothing in the spray gun. There's just a little bit of residue left over. So acetone is one of your best friends. Just a little bit in there. And close the cap. Give it a nice shake. Squeeze the trigger so the extra clear coat can come out, and then that right there is just acetone. So this one, we're just gonna throw it out, and we're gonna add just a little bit more. So this is the one that's gonna actually clean it. So this is clean acetone in the spray gun. When you shake it, it goes all around the cap, like the cap and the cup. You can spray it. You'll see a little bit of the tint from the color. And of course, throw it out. The second best friend is the carburetor cleaner. So with this one, flip your spray gun upside down. Squeeze the trigger so the needle opens up the tip right there. Put the straw right there on the tip, and then just squeeze. Everything is gonna go backwards into the cup, and then inside the cup. And that is it. You can clean out just the nozzle or whatever you want, in case you got any clear or paint onto your gun. So that's pretty much it. You do that every single time that you spray. There's that cap. Look, no paint. You can get some carburetor cleaner. That is it. So before you go telling me how I'm gonna mess up my seals on the spray gun, just remember I've been doing this for quite some time. So there it is, guys. Clean spray gun. Okay, so here's the fender with the sapphire pearl over white or white pearl, whatever you want to call it. So now you can see a little bit of the blue onto the the fender. Now it doesn't look as white anymore. You can see just a shade of sky blue or something. I don't know how much effect you want on the pearl, but it turns the color, you know, like white into like a more light blue color. So it's still okay. But this is more of a custom color than something you choose out from a paint book or something like that. So overall, personally I prefer the white on white pearl, even though it is like a very common color. This right here, I don't know if I'm feeling the blue. But if we take a look over here with the black base, so with the black base, we can see the sapphire. So this one looks way nicer. So that's it. That's pretty much the colors right there. I feel my phone overheating. There it is. Temperature too high to use camera. Wait for. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful or at least entertaining, and if you did, please hit that thumbs up. Leave your comments, you know, leave me some suggestions, colors on colors, what color combination you guys want to see. I have a, let me show you guys. Alright, so check this out. This is RUSTOLEUM Key Lime. So I want to spray this one next as a base coat, and then for the pearl, boom, this is called green tea. This is from Eye Candy Pigments. So this is going to be awesome. You know, we'll see what comes out. There's the color. So they're very similar colors. So like I said, if you're spraying the base coat, you know, in a color like green, red, blue, the best thing you could do is spray closely similar color. You know, if it's green, spray a green, or like we did the other day with a purple fender as a base coat, and then we sprayed I think it was a teal over it. So that was just a beautiful combination right there. So they're kind of similar colors. If you have a black base, I mean almost any color minus white, I'm gonna say almost any color, and you'll get that color. Now if you have white and you want an effect, I'm also that guy. It's the season. Spring, little gnats or flies, fruit flies or whatever. I don't know what they are. But if you have white base and you want to spray some pearl just to get an effect or something like that, I'm coming out with, you know, some ghost pearls. I'll show you guys some videos, and you know, just more coming out. So just stay tuned to the channel, subscribe if you haven't already, and I appreciate all you guys watching the videos. So that's it for today. Thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace out.